Alright, so this is scaling networks. Any questions on the course, let me know. We talked briefly LAN design, then we got our skills review. This is the first week, day 2 of the course. It's Thursday. Metalcraft, still looking for an intern. Haven't heard. Academic IT, we pay $8.50. Metalcraft pays $14. Tech Club, we'll be doing some things coming up. Some tech dens, cybersecurity competition, esports. I don't know if we'll be doing any esports, but we're going to have a meeting next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Mason City, looking for some volunteers in their IT department. LAN Design, we reviewed a little bit this whole idea of access, distributing information, and then the core, where we move it through the core. We work primarily then on the project. So these are the notes that you had on the board. I will talk briefly about a couple things. So I'm going to put some VLANs and some ports on those VLANs here. I'm going to create a trunk. Inside that multi-layer switch, you're going to have to turn on, if you haven't already. In fact, let me do this. Right in black on here, you have to turn on IP routing. I believe the command is IP router or IP routing. And then you'll have to check on the command. I don't remember if it's IP routing. Anyway, you should be okay with the .1Q. Everything should be .1Q. You have to set up your switched virtual interfaces, so you have to assign an IP to the VLANs. You got to, the interface VLAN 40 and then assign it an IP. And then these IPs will be the default gateway for all your devices down here. And they'll get their information DHCP, so the DHCP will also be done in the multi-layered switch. And so you'll identify what you're going to exclude in the network and so forth. Okay. You'll have to do NAT out of the router into the device that I'm controlling. Okay, you have to assign it an IP address here. As long as you stay in that, as long as you stay in the 172.21 and 100 on up, you should be okay. You got your default route for your router going out. Yeah, you got it, actually got it written right here. So, I think you're good. We will continue on this work and we'll wrap it all up. We'll set up the server and I can see what you need to do yet on Tuesday. Well, that's it. It was a good start this week. Let me know if you have any questions.